How to remove threads from Instagram profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today's video is based on how to remove threads from Instagram profile or how to delete threads button. In order to remove thread profile on Instagram, first thing first, update the application. After that, open up your Instagram account, and once you open up your application, this is how it's gonna look like. So after that, what you'll need to do is you need to go ahead and click on the profile icon, and it's going to direct you to the profile page. In order to remove the thread icon from Instagram profile, you need to click on the edit button. Right on this page, you'll be able to find the threads icon, and you'll need to click on. Over here, you'll be able to see an option as show thread shortcut, and then toggle a switch for that. After that, make sure to check on this icon so that the changes will be seen. So in this way, you can remove threads icon from Instagram. Apart from that, what else you can do is if you tap on the threads icon, you can also hide it. For that, you need to go ahead and click on hide badge. After you click on it, you'll be able to see you can add it back to your profile once you remove it. So if you're sure about removing the badge, click on the remove button, and then your badge or your thread icon will be removed. In this way, you can remove threads from Instagram profile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.